We want to resolve more examples on this. Okay? What we have here now, we already having factors of this fraction, which is x squared minus 4, then x minus 3. X squared minus 4 is difference of 2 squared, so you still have to split it before you gain access into resolving this. If not, you're on your own. Now we have 5x squared minus 6x plus 10 all over x squared minus 4, which is same as x squared minus 2 squared. That is difference of 2 squared. Then we have x minus 3. Okay? So breaking it down further, we have 5x squared minus 6x plus 10 all over, this is difference of 2 squared, so I will have x minus 2, the next one is x plus 2, x plus 2. So that is for this. So finally we have our x minus 3. So having gotten this, we are good to go. So we now resolve this into partial fraction. So now say, okay, 5x squared minus 6x plus 10 all over x minus 2 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 will give me a over, the first one is what? X minus 2, then plus b into what? X plus 2, and finally plus c into x minus 3. So having done this, you are on your way to heaven. Yes, you're on your way to heaven. So we have 5x squared minus 6x plus 10 all over x minus 2, x plus 2, and finally x minus 3 gives us, so we find the LCM of this, this, and this, this, and this. The LCM is the product, that is to say this times this times this. So that will give us exactly what we have here, which is x minus 2 into x plus 2, and finally x minus 3. So that is the LCM. So we use this to divide the denominator one after the other. This divide this. This one we cancel out this. We are left with this and this.
Yes.
So it will now be this times a. That's what we're gonna have.
Yeah.
A into x plus 2. This is x plus 2.
X minus 3.
X minus 3. Okay? We come to b plus b into this one. Divide this. This we cancel out this. We are left with this and this. That is x minus 2 into x minus 3. This is minus 3. X minus 3. Okay? Then plus c into this one. Divide the whole of this. This we cancel out this. We are left with x minus 2 and x plus 2. X minus 2 and x plus 2. That's what we're gonna have. Okay? So that is what we are having for this. You find out that this and this, they are the same. The denominators are the same. So this cancel out this. We are now left with 5x squared minus 6x plus 10 gives us a into x plus 2, x minus 3, and then plus b into x minus 2, x minus 3, and then finally plus c into x minus 2, and then x plus 2. That's what we're gonna have. That's what we're gonna have. So, having gotten this, we'll start looking for the alphabets one after the other. One after the other. So we can actually simplify this. Okay, let's assume now we want to eliminate A. We want to eliminate A and C. We want to eliminate A and C. What can we say let x be equal to? Of course, if we say let x be equal to -2, we find out that A and C will be eliminated, in the sense that if x is -2, we're going to have -2 plus 2, which is 0. So once the whole place here is 0, the entire ones become 0. Because 0 times A is 0. 0 times anything here is also 0. If you come here too and insert 0, sorry, and insert -2 in place of x, -2 plus 2 gives you what? 0 now. So which means that this place, this 2 will be off, will be bygone.
Yes.
So if that being the case, we can do it that way. We can as well approach another method to resolving this also. But let's handle it that way and see what we get. Now, this gives me, I would say, putting x equals to, that is -2. I will have, any place I see x, I'll put -2. I will have 5 into -2 squared minus 6 into -2. This is -2. And then plus 10 is equal to A into, if I put x now, I don't want to waste time on this. If I put x here as -2, this is -2 plus 2,
0.
giving me 0. Then this is -2 minus 3, that's -5.
Okay.
So -5 times 0 is 0. 0 times A is 0. Everything here is gone. So everything here is gone. I'll come here now and say I don't want to start rewriting this. So let's just resolve it one after the other. So this means that the whole of this place is 0 already. The whole of here is 0. Okay. For there not to be confusion, let me still repeat it. A into -2 plus 2, then -2 minus 3, plus B into -2 minus 2, and then -2 minus 3, then plus C into -2 minus 2, and then -2 plus 2, -2 plus 2. Okay. Now, -2 times -2 will give us 4. 4 times 5 is 20. We have 20. This is -6 times -2 will give me plus 12. Then plus 10 is equals to, the whole of this place is 0 already. Then this is -2 minus 2 will give me -4.
Yes.
-2 minus 3 will give me -5. -5 times -4 will give me plus 20.
Yes.
20 times B is what? 20B. Okay. Now this one will give me 0. -2 minus 2, that is -4. -2 plus 2 is 0. 0 times -4 is 0. 0 times C is 0. So this one is equal to plus 0. Okay. That's plus 0. So we have 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 4,
42.
42. So we have 42 is equal to 20b. 20b, which is, I can interchange it by saying therefore 20b is equals to 42. Still the same thing. So we divide both sides by 20 by 20. 20 cancel out. B is equal to what? 2 here, 10. 2 here, 21. Right? Are we together?
Yes.
So we have 21 over 10. Okay. Now, coming to this again, we have 5x squared minus 6x plus 10 is equal to 8. Okay. The best way of resolving this, like I said before, we can give this another approach by saying x times x will give us x squared. X times this will give us minus 3x. You can calculate out everything there.
This one is better.
See?
I guess this one is simpler.
Okay. Now, if we want to resolve two other ones, you find out that we have gotten our B already. Let's say we want to get our C. We want to get C now. I'm looking at B and A. That means we are going to destroy or eliminate A and B. You find out that this and this they are the same. So this is down where we are going to concentrate. We say let S be what? 3, such that 3 minus 3 will give us 0. By virtue of that, everything here is 0. Then everything here will also be what? 0, because 3 minus 3 is what? 0. 0 times anything here is 0. 0 times anything gives you 0. Okay? So which means that this and this, they are gone. So where we are now going to concentrate will be on C. C and this. Okay. So to get our C, that is to say to find C. To find C, let x equal to what? 3. So which means that any place I see S, I put 3. This is our equation. 5x squared, meaning that any place I see x, I will put what? 3. It becomes 5 into 3 squared. Then minus 6x. Our s is what? 3. Then plus what? 10 is equals to C. Because the whole of this place is already 0 from what I explained. Because if you insert 3 here now, everything here becomes 0. If you insert 3 here, everything becomes 0. So that is why I don't want to waste my time on this one again. I'll have is equals to C into bracket what? S minus 2, which is 3 minus 2. Then S plus 2, which is what? 3 plus 2. At the end of the day, we have 5 into what? 9. 3 squared is 9. That is 3 times 3, 9. Minus 18, that is 6 times 3, 18, plus 10 is equals to C into 3 minus 2 is what? 1. Then 3 plus what? 3
5.
plus 2, that is 5. So at the end of the day, we have 45, that is 5 times 9, 45, minus 18 plus 10. Okay? Is equals to 5 times 1, 5 times C, 5C. Okay? So we have 45 minus 18. What will it give us?
63, everything.
45 minus 18 will give us what, class?
27.
27. 27 plus 10, 37. So we have 37 is equals to 5C. therefore 5c, I'm interchanging it. 5c is what? 37. So we divide both sides by 5. By what? 5. Are we together? So c becomes what? 37 over 5. So that is for c. So the one that is remaining now, we'll be able to get our c. We have gotten our b. So which means that for us to get our a, we are going to eliminate b and c, right?
Yes.
B and C. Is there anything that is common to B and C? Yes.
S minus 2.
S minus 2 is common. Okay? So which means that this method can go. So to find A, to find letter A, we say let x be equal to, what is common to B and C is what? S minus 2. So if x minus 2 is common, x minus 2, we say x minus 2 is equal to 0, which means that x is equal to 0. This one coming in 1 plus 2, therefore s is what? 2. So we say let x be what? 2. Let x be 2. Let x be what? 2. So any place I see s, I will put 2. We'll go back to our equation. 5x squared, which is what? 2 squared, minus 6s, which is what? 2. Then plus 10 is equals to a into, what is our a? X plus 2. X is what? 2 already, so it becomes 2 plus 2. Then, what else?
2.
Capture him now.
Okay.
So,
2 minus
x plus 2, which is 2 plus 2, because our s is 2 already. Then you now have 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. So at the end of the day, we have 5 into 2 squared is what? 4. Minus 6 times 2, 12, plus 10 is equals to a into 4. And then 2 minus 3 will give us minus 1. So at the end of the day, we have 5 times 4, 20, minus 12 plus 10 gives us 4 times minus 1 is minus 4 times 8 minus 4a. So at the end of the day, we have 20 minus 12 will give us what? 20 minus 12 will give us 8. 8 plus 10, 18. So 18 is equals to minus 4a. We interchange by saying therefore minus 4a is equals to what? 18. So we divide both sides by minus 4 by minus 4. This cancel out. We have a is equals to 2 here, 9. 2 here, minus 2. So it's same as minus 9 over 2. So that is for our a. We now recall that 5x squared minus 6s plus 10 all over what? All over what? X.
all over x.
X minus 2, x plus 2, and finally x minus 3. This is minus 3. Is equals to what? A over x minus 2 plus b over x plus 2 plus c over x minus 3. So we now have that is equals to a. What is our a? Our a is minus 9
Over
minus
2.
9 over 2, then into x minus 2, then plus b. What is our b? 21 over 10.
Over 10.
Then plus 21, this is plus over 10 into what? S plus 2. This is s plus 2. And then plus c. What is our c? 37 over 5 into s minus 3. This is the answer. So we can rearrange, because I told you it is always good we bring our positive first
Yes.
before negative. Rearranging we have 21 over 10 into s plus 2, right? Then plus 37 over 5 into what class? S minus 3, and finally minus 9, 2 into what? S minus 2 as the answer. If you want to check your results, you can check based on what I've taught you so far. I've already done 2 examples on how to check your results. So if you apply the same thing here, you will fall back to this equation. Fall back to this. So at this juncture, we call it a day on partial fraction till we meet another time. Thank you.